The headlines: CCTVs to be installed in prominent places of the city, and unfortunate parents in need of genuine help. Addressing a press conference held after holding a meeting with hoteliers, hospital heads, bank executives, businessmen and officials of various departments at the office of the Deputy Commissioner in Mangalore on Monday, July 28, Dakshina Kannada SP Satish Kumar and District Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao said that the district administration has been doing everything within its command to ensure that no untoward incident, including terrorism, occur in Dakshina Kannada district. It has been decided to install closed-circuit televisions, that is CCTV, at railway stations, mega malls and commercial complexes, banks, airports and main roads of the city within a month as a step towards achieving this objective, they explained.
All commercial establishments alli mukhiya patra ivrde supporting staff and the security guards. So we have told them to motivate them to be watchful and alert. But the police ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ಅನ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇ ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಸಸ್ಪಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸಸ್ಪಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೂಮ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಈಗ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ದಮ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಸ್. ಎನಿ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ 20-25 cameras, one camera will be installed which will be exclusively covering that important junction or the road. Adanna feed that recording will be available to the police directly to the police control room. So where and all commercial establishments elli camera ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So this system of network of cameras covering the entire city will help you in better traffic management also, and crime control it becomes more useful.
The state has been equipped with one of the best cybercrime detection departments in the country. Hence, if cybercrimes are detected, such cases will be handed over to them, the SP narrated.
Cybercrime is concerned, Bangalore, Karnataka police is well equipped. Karnataka police was the first to set up a cyber lab and a cyber police station in whole of India. So they are well equipped. Karnataka police as a system has very good cyber police system. We have excellent network. Any case registered here regarding cyber crime, we refer it to the cyber police station in COD. Cyber police station has jurisdiction over the entire state.
The local police and assist in prevention of any kind of incidents in our district. Adakoskara meeting karjideve, and hopefully this will lead to a better information among the public itself.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relicious a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
When Rohini and Ramdas got married, they had beautiful dreams for their future. The rub of the green was going their way, and they were even blessed with a beautiful child within a year of their marriage. But their dreams were shattered when they came to know that their kid would be bedridden forever. Reshma has completed 21 years of age, but she can neither speak nor walk. She is unable to move. Added to this, the couple have no other issues. The defect came to light when this couple approached a doctor when Reshma was just 1 year old. From then onwards, they have tried everything within their command through many ways to see that their daughter becomes normal like other children, but they never found any improvement in her physical condition.
ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾತೆ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಅವಳು ಅಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಪಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಂಥದ್ದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಎಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅವಳದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐದು ಅಲ್ಪಡ್ಬೇಕಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ಎಂಚೆನೆಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಐಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮರದಿನ ಬೆಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ಎಂದು
ತಿಂಗಳು ಖರ್ಚು ಸಮ ಎದ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ತಿಂಗಳು ಖರ್ಚು ಖರ್ಚು
ಅನ್ನ ಖರ್ಚಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡದ್ದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅವರ ಮರ್ದಿಗೆ ಐಕಿ ನೆಕ್ಕಿ ತಿನ್ಪಿಂದಾಲ ತಿನ್ಪುಜಿ ವಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊರ್ಪಿನ ಹತ್ತಂದ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಲ್ಲಾಕೊರಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಂಡೇರ ಪಿರ್ಚುಂಡು ಬಂಡದಿ ಮುಂತಾದಿತ್ತೆ ಸಿಲ್ಲಾಕೊರ ಇಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲ ವಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹ ಕೊರ್ಪಿನ.
Ramdas is a daily wage earner and he was looking after his family with painting as his prime source of income. Recently, Women and Child Welfare Development sanctioned him with a petty shop near State Bank. Rohini underwent an operation recently to remove the tumor which had grown inside her stomach. Thereafter, Rohini is also under medication as prescribed by the doctors. Reshma's parents have to be with her 24/7 for there is no one else to take care of her.
ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟೊಂದು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲಾಖೆದ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ ತಿಕ್ಕದು
ಯಾನ ಆಸುತ್ತದು ಮಿಲಿನ್ ಮುಲ್ಜಾನೆ ಏರಿಯಾನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಜ್ಜಂಡು ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಆದಿತ್ತು ಬಂಜಿದೊಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜೊಂಜಿಲ್ಲ ರಡ್ ಆದಿತ್ತು ಇಂಚ ಮುರ್ಲಿ ಆಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೇಟಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಇದು 2 ಜನ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಮೂಲು ಇಂಚೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಜನ ಮಂತಿದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಕುಲ್ಲಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾರ 2-3 ಸಾರಿ ಇತ್ತೆ ಬಂಗಾಪು 2-3 ಸಾರಿ ದೇರ್ತು ಬಂಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊರಡು ಹಿಡ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಪುಜ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕು ಸಾರಿ ಆರು ಬತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಬಂಜಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಜಿನ ಯಾನು ಹೊರೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೊರದು 3 ಸಾರಿ ಹೊರಡು ಬಂಜಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಜಿನ ಯಾನೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ 12 ಬೈಯ ಮುಟ್ಟೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಏನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರಿ ಜಿಂಚೆ.
KVN Tagore, then Principal Secretary in the Department of Women and Child Welfare, had visited the family's house and assured them of providing benefits from his department. He also asked the parents to take Reshma to Bangalore for further treatment. Unfortunately, the parents could not take her to Bangalore owing to their financial limitations. The family has to bear huge expenses every month for Reshma's treatment. On the other hand, their other dream of having a house of their own has not yet realized. They have been residing in a small house since decades. Moreover, they have no toilet or bathroom facility. The owner of the house has told them to purchase this house by paying a certain amount or else to vacate it. The family is in need of genuine help in this critical condition. Generous donations may not help Reshma better her physical condition, but it will definitely help them to live a decent life devoid of nagging worries. The SB account number of Ramdas is 061010810989 of Canara Bank, Banda Branch, Mangalore.